Yo, guys! Okay, guys, that's a jaguar. This is not a drill. I'm a tree, I'm a tree, I'm a tree! That was way too close. Yo! These dudes are throwing shade and bananas. Respect the OG, bro.
Hang on, little guy.
Jungle Karma unlocked. Is this Gorilla Indiana Jones moment? Touch or not touch? This jungle just slapped me. Still cool though. Survived snakes, storms, and shade. Next stop, the Sahara Desert.